Jenny, we did it. Here we are moments away from the start of one of the best days of our lives. It's crazy yet exciting, isn't it? To look back and see everything we did to this point in life. All the laughs, tears, arguments, meals, and even Buddy and Hazel, all of which led up to this very moment. I'm beyond excited for this new chapter in our book. To spend the rest of my life with you as your husband and you as my beautiful wife. Cheers to us and the future that is waiting for us. Now try your best to relax, take deep breaths, and get ready to enjoy the ride. I'll win for you down that aisle. I love you, always and forever. Marco.
Don't get up. Let's speak. I forget. I wasn't listening. Forget all familiar things. Sun-soaked shores, lost in the evening breeze. You're all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. Don't get up. Never, please. Elegant. Safe place for me to remember all the brilliant things. Brushstroke sky.
Hi, Marco. Take you, Jenny, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you. In good times and in bad. In sickness and in health. I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
Hi, Jenny. Thank you, Marco, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you. In good times and in bad. In sickness and in health. I will love and honor you all the days of my life.